Hi, everybody. Happy International Yoga Day. Namaste. So, I wanted to make a quick video on what yoga means to me and how yoga has changed in my life. So, first of all, yoga to me is about connection with my body, about connection with my soul, and connection with the earth. I found yoga probably about 15 years ago when I was in university. And I started, like most people, using the physical postures, finding a yoga class in a gym, and then dabbled in it a little bit back and forth, really for the physical practice. Loved the way it made me feel, loved the way it opened my body and strengthened my body. And then after university in Montreal, I moved to Ottawa and did my first yoga class at Rama Lotus, which is still open. It's a yoga studio downtown. And my first real yoga studio and first real class was in Bikram. And Bikram, if you've never heard of it, is a series of postures that is done in a room that's 108-degree temperature. So, needless to say, I don't practice Bikram anymore. It was very, very, very physical practice and really got me into yoga. Started to allow the channels in my body to open. And when these subtle energies or these subtle channels in your body start to open, you feel something different. You feel something different that the gym doesn't do. You feel something different that running doesn't do. You really feel more open, more aware, more connected. So I am so happy that yoga is now being internationally recognized and celebrated around the world. We feel the more people that do yoga, the more people that find their awareness, a better earth we will live in, and more collection and more collaboration we'll have. So I hope you're celebrating today by finding a yoga studio to practice at, or practicing at your own home or on your own mat. And we look forward to seeing you on the mat at Inner Revolution. Have a great day. Namaste.